Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be a very short and random video. I just found some time and I was like, finally I can make a video, because it's really difficult to make a video in a sharing room. It's just too much, but then yeah, I made time. So spare me for whatever this is, but this is going to be really helpful because I'm going to be discussing the resources I used as a CUET aspirant. Let's start. So the first thing, or the first resource that I used, was PWK General Test and English Ki book, and I've talked about these books before on my channel. GT with, of course, I did not appear for GT like that seriously, so it wasn't my goal. So GT ke liye I did not solve the book, but then English ke liye I can vouch for that book. It has some really great questions, and they also give you past year papers like behind the book. There are 2-3 papers जो भी last years के होते हैं, and it's like really helpful. Like you can actually benefit a lot from that book. And I was really anxious. I've tried everything, everything. I've tasted all the dishes on the menu, but then because I've tasted all the dishes on the menu, I know what I'm talking about, and you can trust me. So yeah, that was my credibility certificate, not authorized by anyone but me. Very credible. Okay. Second resource that I used was CUET NTA key sample paper books for each domain subject. Those are really helpful, and if not that, then maybe you can go for Disha publication key book. So I didn't know about Disha publication before. I knew it was a publication house, but then I didn't know if they were famous for CUET or reliable for CUET. But then I got the book because I was just getting anxious. It was on a whim. So I got the book. It was green in color, very competitive, exam friendly book. It looked like that, it had that vibe. I'll just link down the picture or paste it here on the screen. You can see it. So that was a book, and it was for specifically humanities. It had all the domain subjects: psychology, history, pol science. It also had geography, but since I did not have geography in my grade 12, so that was not relevant to me. But the other 3 subjects, oh my god, it had diabolical questions. You could like literally think about anything and it would have a question on that. It didn't even feel like CUET ka book, but then it used to challenge me a lot. So if you like challenges, maybe that book is something you could try, and it will really boost up your confidence, I feel. The next book that I used was sample papers, previous year sample papers. It's not a book. I mean, you could if you wanted to. Oswald की books available है बहुत सारी, and I don't know, many publishers publish books like that. But then I think previous year questions के लिए don't buy things, don't pay for something you can get for free. Right, that would be more sensible. So just go on Google, any website, maybe PW, maybe shiksha.com, I don't know, बहुत सारी कहीं भी मिल जाएगा. And if I find my papers, I'll just link them down below like a PDF link or something. So वो हो जाएगा, and I think that would be more than enough. And the last recommendation that I have for you, and the only recommendation that is necessary for English, is Word Power Made Easy. Wait, I'll bring that book for you. Okay, so this is Word Power Made Easy. This was the book that I solved, and it's a thick book. I can say that, and I can see that, but then this is like really helpful. So if you are gonna compete for this exam, I think go with this one, because this is gonna be your Bible for English. And a lot of people did ask me कौन सी book लेनी चाहिए and all, and like you, even I was searching for books at that point of time, and I really wanted something concrete, like a one-stop solution or something like that. And I came across this book, and I've heard about this book before as well, so I was like, why not just buy it? And it was for very cheap. I think for 100 rupees on Amazon, and Flipkart पे और भी सस्ती मिल जाएगी. और अगर बुक स्टोर पे जा रहे हो तो of course वो तो फिर depends कि आपकी कितनी जान पहचान है with the shopkeeper. So this could be a very good option. It had all the words, and the best part, and what stands out about this book, is that they teach you words through roots. So if you learn a root word, then you can actually construct a lot of words out of it. So I think that's very time effective, cost effective, and an efficient way to learn all the vocabulary and everything. So I think this could be your go-to book for English. Do use this. It's not a paid promotion. इस पूरी वीडियो पे I did not promote any single book, because of course उससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा. It was all like genuine advice from one person to another, because I know, people find company in suffering, and I know what you guys must be going through mentally, physically, biologically. It's a different place to be in. But trust me, it will all be over, and you will soon be in your dream college, and that would all be worth it. Okay. with that note, and on that note, this video is just gonna end here. I am gonna help you if you need any other help. I don't know if I can, maybe, but let's see. If you need any other kind of video on any topic, just do let me know and I'll make it. That is it for this one. Okay, bye bye.